It's good to see you. Long time. Hi. How are you?
Day 2 here in Helsinki. We're over here at the Ready Mall, and we spent a lot of time here. As we moved here, this was still being built. It wasn't even open, so it's so good to see that and see that it's still open. I know there was a lot of controversy with the way that it's laid out, and certain elevators only go to certain floors. It's really confusing. But hey, it's good. It's doing good.
Such a nice mall.
We're back here in Kalasatama. Gonna walk around and just see how it's changed. That's the infamous bird. When we first moved here, that was our landmark. When we saw the bird, we knew we were close to home. Alright, so we came to a special spot. When we first came here 4 years ago, we took a picture here, and I'll put it up on the screen, and you can see it from 4 years ago, and then today, 2021, December 2021, here we are, back at this exact same spot. It's kind of neat to do that. Restaurant we ever went to when we arrived in Finland. We didn't have Google Translate or anything. We just came over here, and it's become our favorite Italian place ever.
I remember we almost turned around because we didn't know a word of Finnish, and the entire menu was in Finnish. But I'm glad we stuck around.
Yeah, I'm glad we did. We've come back so many times, and every time somebody comes to visit, this is where we bring them. Here we go. That was so good. If I didn't feel fat before, I definitely feel fat now. I couldn't stop eating it. Best lasagna ever right there.
It looks like I didn't even touch mine when I was done. They gave me so many noodles.
Yeah, they do give you a lot of food. We used to eat like half and just take the rest home, but a little harder to do these days. Alright, let's not fall. Now we're going to Harbor.
Let's cross the way.
Okay. Guys, when in Finland you have to sauna, so we're at Lolu right now. It's like 32 degrees outside right now. It's
maybe
freezing.
Colder.
Maybe colder.
Probably feels like 20.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
we got a long drink.
We got a long drink. We're in our swimsuits. We just got out of the sauna, and now we're down here at the water. You can probably hear it, and there's like icebergs floating in it. It's so cool. But look at that. Oh, and it's only like what? It's like 5:30, something like 5:40 at night. But it feels like it's midnight. We're trying to debate if we want to go in the water or not. I'm not sure. We're here, it's day 3. We're at the Christmas markets once again. We've been just kind of taking it easy today, running around trying to stay dry because it rained quite a bit today, the most out of all the days we've been here.
Yeah.
So
it was a perfect day to like dodge into shops though. So
yeah, we went into shops, did a little shopping. Now we're at the markets having some coffee and donuts. That's what's left of yours right there.
It's all good.
It went down pretty quick. We're gonna meet up with a friend here in a little bit, and we'll try to bring you along for that. All right, we got our last Karelian pies for this visit to Finland. They warmed them up for us because we say we're gonna eat them right now. They're not gonna last long.
No, so good.
So excited. Got the potato ones as usual.
Yeah.
Yum. Hey guys, we're heading back to the hotel. We're gonna have to close out this adventure here in Finland. It was a lot of fun, as it always is here. We really love it.
One of our favorite places for sure.
Yeah, we didn't film a lot this afternoon. We were just kind of doing our own thing and you know, enjoying it, taking it in. So I hope you don't mind. Yeah, we just had dinner at one of our favorite places, El Rey, Taqueria El Rey, something like that. Really good, highly recommended. But we're gonna head back to the hotel and hopefully everything we purchased fits in the bag. That's what we're hoping. We got like, what, 2 bags, 3 bags? Yeah. And we're fingers crossed. Right. Yeah.
They were pretty empty coming here though, so we should be good.
I think we'll be all right. Lots of fun goodies to take back home. We'll see you on the next adventure, guys, from Finland. Bye. Bye.